Rounds brought to you by Sweet Sounds.
Got a thumbs up from Dan Horner. Do I have a thumbs up from Jesse Rates? Start him up, Travis. First qualifying run of the day, Sweet Sounds Show.
Set, go.
It's on the board with 159.1.
Attaboy!
10 seconds.
Dan, along with the rest of you, have worked really hard at getting the numbers to where you're at. If you haven't worked hard,
Free bowling!
Got something to say, Horner?
Yeah. Hold this, Alex.
Hold on, wait. Well, ask him first.
thumbs up from Rates when you're ready. Thumbs up from Horner. Horner's checking an idle.
Final information round brought to you by Sweet Sounds.
So next up will be
Jesse Lutz, Lane 2, Dan Horner.
Jesse DeRee. He blew a whooper, so it'll be Matt Hooper and John Volkers. You're running. Good. Hooper and Volkers up next. Unless you guys are fine with skipping the class and leaving the way that the qualifying scores are. Well, we've got almost a full bracket for Extreme Trump. Thumbs up. Oh, where'd Horner go? Oh, he's running from the back tonight? Jesse's still good. Start him up. Advance no wall. Unlimited power. Unlimited whoopers under window line. Hey, can you guys move?
20 seconds.
With a 58 now.
10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time.
And time. Excellent scores, gentlemen.
Horner's just pissed.
He still won.
He's just fucking pissed. Horner, what are you mad about?
Look at the idiots up there. I'm going 2. I wanted the fucking same number.
Extreme 1 with Hooper versus
Oh, your head unit's still in the back.
It's fine. Bring it back up.
John Volkers and Hooper.